Are you going to say something? What else is going on? What else is happening in your world? Say hi to Grandma. I think she's going to like to hear that. Yeah, I think she's going to like to hear that. Do you have a message for Grandpa? Do you have a message for Grandpa? Not as much to say to him today? Oh. What else do you want to tell Grandpa? What else do you want to tell him? That's it? That's it? You're all done? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.